Shalom, Chavarim. Welcome to our study of God's Word in Hebrew. Today we want to treasure these vocabulary words in our hearts that we might love Him and worship Him. Vocabulary from Futato's Grammar, Chapter 8. I want to syllabify the word for you and then pronounce it, because syllabification is key to pronunciation. So the first word begins with a lamed, chirik, pei, and then that's a silent shawah. We put our syllable divider right there. Nun followed by seirei yod. So after a short unstressed vowel, you have a silent shawah. And the rule there is a short unaccented vowel must be in a closed syllable. If that's in a closed syllable, pei closes it, and this shawah is silent. So that word would be lifnei, lifnei. And you want to accent the last syllable. Even though it's not shown, Hebrew is always accented on the last syllable, the ultima, unless otherwise indicated. So, lifnei, lifnei. Before, literally to the face of, or in front of, before. Okay, this is a monosyllable. Main, hirik, nun. This would be min, min, from. It indicates a space out of. So if this is our entity, min is from, away from. Okay, ayin, pethak, lamed. We're giving the ayin a slight G pronunciation. So this would be gal, gal, on account of. And in terms of our spatial relationship, gal would be right there. So prepositions indicate spatial relationship. Min, from, gal, upon, lifnei, in front of. Okay, the next word is gin, gin. Give that ayin a slight pronunciation. With, as in an important name for Messiah, Gimanu El. You've probably heard it, Immanuel. With us is God. God is with us. Immanuel. That could be a good memory device for you. Now, the next preposition has two syllables. And notice in the grammar, the convention is to put the accented syllable in blue. So, hard tau, pethak, cheth, pethak, tau, would be tachath, tachath, which is under or beneath. More prepositions over here. El, to, for the sake of, not to be confused with el, with the seirei, that is God in Hebrew. This is El. The airlines for Israel, the famous Israeli airline is El Gal, which indicates to, upon. El Al, to, upon. El Al, the airlines of Israel. Okay, this preposition is always prefixed to another word. This will never appear independently. There is an independent form which appears in poetry, and that is bamo. Bamo appears in poetry. But this is the prose form, simply ba, ba. And this vocal shawah you want to keep very short, like the shawah you learned in primary school. Remember that sound we represent by the upside down E? That's that sound there. So, ba, ba, ba. In with, by, among, at, with, any of those things. Now, this word is written kind of strangely, but you'd syllabify it right here. There's really no gap here. That's a little misprint in your grammar. But this would be Bathok. Bathok. Remember, this colon wow is the vowel. That's a silent. That's a vocal schwa. Vocal schwa. Bathok. Bathok. In the midst of or within. This word is tawik. This is the shortened or construct form of tawik, which is midst. So in the midst of, within, in the midst of. Now these last two prepositions only occur as prefix on the front of another word. That's a kaf, hard kaf in vocal schwa. This would be ka, like as, according to. And then the final word is le, 2 or 4. So that's your vocab from lesson 8 in Futato. Let's say then, and you can repeat after me. Okay? I'll say it, pause for you to repeat it, then I'll say it again and pause for you to repeat it again. Lifnei, lifnei, min, min, gal, gal, gim, gim. Penultimate stress here, so pronounce that first syllable more loudly than the second. Tachath. Tachath. El. El. Keep the schwa short. It's that symbol you learned in primary school. B. B. Bathok, bathok, ka, la, lifnei, min, gal, gin, tachath, el, ba, bathok, ka, and la. May the Lord bless you and keep you as you treasure these words in your heart.